Stop by and take a look at the 2011 Ford Focus. Focus has more cool tech, more of what you're looking for. From any point of view, more than meets the eye, and is priced below $10,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power passenger mirrors, power brakes, front wheel drive, power driver mirrors, heated seats. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.